Alright, in this video we're going to be introducing the stem and leaf plot. You got a picture here with a stem. Oh, I'm messing it up. With a stem and leaves. So, here are the teaks as far as our stem and leaf plot go. Let's look at one. So, stem and leaf plot is a quick way to organize large amounts of data. Alright, so over here we've got our stems to the left, our leaves over here to the right, and very important, our key down here at the bottom. That key is going to tell you exactly how to read your stem and leaf plot. So let's make one. The stem will be the digits in the tens place. In this case, the numbers are from 6 to 10. So looking at all of our red numbers here, they're the numbers from 6 to 10, and we need to write them vertically in order from smallest to largest. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Step 2. Step 2 is me writing down all of the digits in our data set. Working from left to right, we're going to write our leaves. We put them in the corresponding rows. So let's go through. I'm just going to do one row here. 100, so that's 10 with a 0. 65, 78, 83, 79, 92, 95, 67, 71, 85. It's very important to have excellent handwriting here. Otherwise, all of your numbers might get mixed up. So I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines there to help me out, stay in order. Okay, and so on and so on. And then I would do the second row and the third row until all my numbers were written down. So it looks something like this over here to the left. Or over here. Excuse me. So right now all of our leaves are kind of out of order. We got 3, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 8, 8, 9, 1, 5. I need to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay? So just looking at the sixes, the smallest number is going to be 3, 5, 7, and then 8. Okay, there are all my leaves for my 6s. And I do the same thing for 7s, 8s, 9s, and 10s. And it looks a little something like that. So finally, the last thing we need to do is create a key or a legend and a title. So they did that for us. Right here, our title for this is test scores, because that's what our stem and leaf plot are talking about. And down here is our legend. They use the word legend. I like the word key. But 71, or 7 on the side with the line in the middle and the 1, means 71. And 83 means, 8 and a 3 means 83. So why do you think we create that legend? Well, we do it because it tells us the value of the stem and the leaf. All right, so let's take a look at this one real quick. So notice they gave us 2 options here. So we can do it one the first time and then reorganize it. It looks like Marla kept a record of her earnings for babysitting. There's a bunch of money. So let's look at our tens place first. So I've got a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, 6, another 2, another 5, another 2, another 2, another 4, another 4, another 5, another 6. Okay, so here are all of my stems. they're out of order. So what was the first step? To put them in order. So next we can copy it from over here. Put our 2, our 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we look at our leaves. 52, 49, 37, 21, 65, 23, 51, 22, 24, 47, 44, 53, and 61. Okay, so with our 2s, we got a 1, a 3, a 2, and a 4. So our order is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, done with that one. Our 3s, 37, that was easy. Done with 3s. For our 4s, we got a 9, a 7, and a 4, so 4, 7, and 9. 44, 47, 49. And then our 5s, 52, 51, 53, so 1, 2, and 3. 1, 52, and 53. Oops. Notice I'm crossing out as I'm going through. I'm using them. So 65 and 61, so I've got 1 and 5. So there's my stem and leaf. What do I need to do? What's our next step? Oh, that's right. I need to create a title and a key. So what's our title? I think money from babysitting. Okay, and we'll do our key right here. Okay. 2 and 1 equals 21. Okay. So there's our key. I always like to circle that just so that way the next person who reads it can see it easily. That's our stem and leaf. Oh, pull to check. There you go. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 7. 4, 7, 9. 1, 2, and 3. 6, 1, and 5. 5, 3, 53. We did 21. Looks good. All right. One more problem here. So Speedy Stop Grocery and Gas recorded the gallons of gas bought by their customers in a stem and leaf plot. So here they went ahead and they gave us a stem and leaf. Awesome. Pay attention to our key. So 5 and 45, now this line is like a decimal. I'm going to go ahead and write that decimal in, because that will make it a little bit easier to remind myself. So let's look at these 3 questions real quick. So what's the difference between the greatest number of gallons purchased and the least number of gallons purchased? Well, our greatest number is going to be 6 and 92. That's green, so let's use green. And the smallest is 4 and 14. So subtracting that out gives me 2 and 78 hundredths. Let's look at this red one. Put it all the way out to there. How many customers bought more than 5 and 75 hundredths gallons of gas? So 5 and 75 hundredths is going to be right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, just realized I should use red for that. And finally, our last one. Oh, it's a nice long one. Which statement best supports the data? Sorry, blocking the projector there. Which statement is best supported by the data in the stem and leaf plot? 7 customers bought less than 6.5 gallons of gas. Less than 6.5. So 6.5 is going to be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. That would be 9. 15 customers bought gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nope. Now it's only 12. 8 customers bought more than 5.5 gallons of gas. So that would be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now looking pretty good. 9 customers bought less than 6 gallons of gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not the same, so our answer is C. Alright, so that's stem and leaf plots. Basically, it's like our place value charts and a key. If you have any questions, please write them down on your whisk and bring it to class.